Hi, I'm Konrad Konarski. I'm the Senior Practice Head for Artificial Intelligence and Internet of Things for Vsoft Labs. So I think for those people that have explored ways of solving these sort of challenges within the pharmaceutical space, being able to automate certain processes or track people or track chemicals, there's obviously other relevant technology options that exist. But one of the key things with artificial intelligence, or several of the key things with artificial intelligence, are the scalability of the technology. So when you're looking at implementing a computer visioning system that is smart enough to detect and pick up on specific types of chemicals, specific types or profiling of people, and identify those people and track their movement, versus, let's say, investing in a heavy infrastructure that is being used to track those individuals using things like real-time location systems or RFID, that computer visioning system is both significantly more scalable and much less expensive. And so for those of you that have explored those options before, these technologies, as they exist within the artificial intelligence ecosystem, are both more cost-effective and both more efficient than the alternate.